Hi there, welcome to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about hands-off safety system with PLC. Okay, this is essentially a presser tool. As you can see, there's a presser shown in part list, presser cylinder. Okay, it can be a pneumatic presser or it can be a hydraulic presser. We have push buttons 1 and 2, left side push button and right side push button. It has valve, so essentially we need a valve to control up and down. So it can be a single valve or it can be a double valve. I will show you another video what is meant by single and double valve. The system might have an MCB, must have an MCB and control relay. Depending what kind of valve we use, we're using a 24 volt valve with low amp rating. Probably we can drive with the PLC with the output with the transistor output. But if we are using a pneumatic valve with higher amps, then we might need a control relay. And you can have other circuitry also, like a safety relay, guard, open, close. So I'm gonna move on to the next slide. Okay, this is the example of presser tool. So for this one, the presser tool could be a hydraulic one or it could be a cam. So if we run by hydraulic or we run by cam. This example I think could be a forging application where simple blank part can be turned into shapes. Another example here is a simple bearing insertion application. This one could be hydraulic or it could be pneumatic also. Okay, I'm going to show you the programs for it. Okay, in here this is only PLC only hands-off safety system program. You can see here I have left hand button and then the right hand button. I'm using R trigger. R trigger is essentially detecting this one rising edge, and then it will give an output pulse to turn on the coil, and this coil will be turning on this contact, it will be latched on. Then we have this the other side, we have a right hand button with the rising edge trigger and with the output coil of a right hand button pulse. Okay, same thing, we are going to use it as a trigger and then we're going to hold it, latch it. Over here we're going to see the left and right. There's one logic here to check if either one is not on. Example, when this one, either the left side is on and then the right side is not on for a particular time interval, then we use this timer to reset this latcher. Okay, then the next one is if the left button and the right button is pressed and then we have this contact turned on and the output presser start will turn on. Okay, for this I don't have a visualization output or display. So what I'm using here, I'm using a counter. Function block counts the number of times that this presser turns on. So I will show you value of the counter over here. Okay, let's start to simulate. Okay, it's already under simulation mode. I'm gonna just log in and run. Okay, the first thing that I want to do is I'm gonna press the left hand button, then I'm gonna right. Okay, so you can see it just started and then it just reset back. So because within 1 second, if the system does not, if this rung does not see another output coil is either right or left turned on, then this timer starts and in 1 second interval you will turn on and cancel off the latch. Do the other. Okay, same thing happens. Okay, it is being cancelled off. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cancel this, turn off rather, and I'm going to turn on both of them, and I'm going to show you the counter. Okay, value. So I'm going to write the value. There you can see the CV, the current value becomes 1. I'm going to demonstrate to you one more time. Right? Again, and right. And you see, so these circuits, or rather these programs, works. So this is the PLC only program. So I'm just going to log out to this, and I'm going to show you the one with the visualization. I'm going to just jump into the simulation, run. So when you see in the previous example, I was just double clicking the variable that I wanted to turn on. Okay, for this, since I already created a visualization, or in another simple way, I can call it, or we can call it rather, HMI. Over here, I'm going to press this and this one, and you can see the presser just starts and stops for one cycle. Okay, so you can see again. Okay, all right. So this one, what I have is on top of this presser start, all the other programs are similar to the previous one, and it has a few other elements for visualization purpose. Okay, I have this timer, these two timers, and then I have some instruction to do the conversion. So based on the conversion from time to a value, either is for this method we are using real value. The one has a decimal point. Okay, then you will move, and then I have this subtract and greater than equals to. Then I'm using this one to cancel the start process. This is an example. You can program any way you want, so this is just one of my examples. So I'm going to test one more time, show you for the present. So what if I started off with 1 and I don't do anything? It doesn't move. If I press the other one, it doesn't move. I have to press both within the specified time, then I will get the presser to work. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and watch out for more other video coming soon. If you like the video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell icon, and share.